Today I'm going to show you how to place ads on Instagram, so let's get into it. To get started, what you have to do is open your Instagram app. Once you have opened your Instagram app, here you have to go to your profile section. Then from here you have to select any desired post you want to post or run ad on it. Here I have selected this post. Now you have to click on the boost post option at the bottom of this post. Now at this interface you have to select your desired goal, why you want to place ad. Then here I am going to paste the URL of my website, as I have selected the goal to get more traffic on my website. And once I pasted the URL, now I have to select the desired action. After that, once I have selected my desired action, I have to click on the done button or save button at the bottom. Now here you have to again click on the next button, and once you click on this button it will redirect you to this page. Now I am going to set my audience and I have kept it on automatic, or you can create your own. Then I again press on the next button. After that, here I am going to select my budget and the number of days. After that, once I have selected this, I have to click on the next button. Then at this page, it's giving me the option to review my ad. After reviewing my ad, I will click on the boost post option. Here you have to again hit on the next button. Once you hit on the next button, now again click on the next button. Once you click on this next button, it will take you to this page where you have to enter your payment details. Now you have to click on the save button, and once you click on the save button, your ad will be run on your desired post. So that's how you can run ads on Instagram.